Nina.
Okay.
They're quite hard, these rocks. These rubbery rocks. They're hard on your feet. Come on, and then we've still got a bit of time to go on the playground.
Oh, guys, just like jump on the color. It's so hot, I am not.
Jumping pillows. Ayan pala eh. So, jumping pillows. Yeah. Pwede kayong pagawa nito, 2 pounds. So, pinagkakitaan na. Jumping pillows lang. Gusto na ng mga bata, di ba?
Jump on the color.
Ayan, dito sa farm. Ayan, that's another idea of having fun ng mga children's. Grabe, nagpapagod na. May very tired na to. Ay, Diyos ko. Okay, that's it. Pauwi na tayo. Tapos na tayo dito sa Chuli Farm. Bye-bye, Chuli Farm.